Hello everyone, it's me again, Janet, for another tutorial. Okay, so today I'm here again for another tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to create this social media 3D graphic design. And I choose All of Us Are Dead. If you haven't watched this series yet, I'm telling you guys, go log into your Netflix account and search for All of Us Are Dead. You can watch this for free. It's a very good series. So let's go ahead and start. We can actually use Facebook post template or Instagram template or Instagram portrait. So whatever you prefer, okay? Doesn't matter as long as you already have your idea in mind on how you will be doing it, you're free to use any template. Okay. So right now, what I will be using is an Instagram post template. So we'll be using the 1080 by 1080p. So let's select Instagram blank template. And what we need to do is just to do this design. Okay. I'm going to teach you how to do this step by step. All right. I think it's much better for me to just add a blank template here on the same page. It will be much easier for me. I already added a blank template here, the same page. Here's the image that I got from Google, and you just have to fit the image on the size of the template. And what you can do is to copy that same image. Once you set the image correctly on the size of the template, then you can copy it. Click on edit image. We're gonna remove the background of the image that we copy. Background remover in Canva is not that perfect, as you can see. You can use other background removers such as remove BG. That's for free as well. Another one is you can use Photoshop to remove background as well. So if you will be using Canva, that's fine. You can manually erase or restore. So as you can see here, what I am doing is just restoring the hands that I need. This is the same thing that I did on the first graphics that I've created, that I posted. So, yep, let me just finish this, okay?
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm done here, and yes, as you can see, I did it again. Oops, I did it again. Okay, so you just have to um, put the image on top of the image that has the background on it. Okay, to make sure that everything is in place, I am adjusting it. Our next step now is we go to our social media page or personal social media account, and we're gonna take a screenshot of the part where you can see the likes, the reactions of your viewers or followers. We just have to capture it, and then we can crop it. Okay, so I just made this page of mine, Jan Canva Creations. Everyone can also look at that and follow me there. So I'll be posting some of my designs right there and some of my tutorials as well. So right now I'm capturing this one here, and this is the other one that we need as well. So it will look like a live Facebook account or a Facebook page. We can also go to our Instagram if you want to use the Instagram reactions. So we can just go ahead and take a screenshot like what I am doing right now. Just grab this part. Okay, let's adjust this. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay. All right. So this is fine. So let's just copy it to our design. So here on the first graphics that I have created, I used one in Instagram, and now I am using the one that we capture from our Facebook page. So I just need to adjust this a bit to make sure it will look like a real account. Once you set that, let's do it like this. See? So as you can see, what I did is just to put the image that has no background on top of everything. So I'll just be copying the all of us are dead here. I also got this on Google. You can put it there. That's it. And I think we're done here. Okay, a little bit of adjustment and make sure that everything is in place. I'm going to show you some of my design examples here so you can have more ideas. Check this out, guys. And that's how easy it is. So if you would like to try it on other images, it's just a matter of the background remover magic. That's actually the secret of this kind of graphics. So we need the background remover. You just put the image that has no background on top of everything else. So we're done here, and I hope everyone enjoy doing this tutorial, and let me see your work. Let me see how you do it. Just comment down below if you have questions or suggestions. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Janet or Tutorials by Janet. And yeah, just click on the notification bell so that it will notify you when I will have new tutorials in the future. Okay, see you guys, and you do have a great day. Bye. God bless.